This is a story about a boy and a girl trying to find a life in the big world. Somehow they're together. There ain't much to the mystery. Misery loves company. She just waves her hand and says whatever. Well, this ain't love, this ain't love, this ain't love at all. And he says, we're not Romeo, we're not Juliet. How long does it take to fill this emptiness? We're just two lost souls and baby we got no regrets. We don't wanna say bye-bye, baby, it's just you and I. We're not Romeo, we're not Juliet. He ain't pretty with his heart on heart, second generation immigrant scars. And he knows that this ain't heaven, no. She's all skinny like a cigarette, but he's the only thing that she respects, and is trying to make it better. This ain't love, this ain't love, this ain't love at all. And she said, we're not Romeo, we're not Juliet. You thought you seen it all, but you ain't seen nothing yet. Just two lost souls and baby we got no regrets. Now it's just you and I, but nothing unless we try. We're not Romeo, not Juliet. It has to feel right, but it never does. It has to be perfect, but it never is. You wanna be sure, but you never do. Not Romeo or Juliet, it's just me and you. Just two lost souls and baby we got no regrets. We don't wanna say bye-bye, baby, it's just you and I. We're not Romeo, we're not Juliet. No, 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 we're not Romeo, we're not Juliet. Oh, how long does it take to fill this emptiness? We're just two lost souls and baby we got no regrets. Now it's just you and I, we're nothing unless we try. Oh no, we're not Romeo or Juliet, no we're not, that's a fact.